Behavioral health is a growing and evolving market that over the past couple of years has gained a lot of attention. Spec is a market leader and has been for the last 20 years. We've continued to work with end users, caregivers, and designers to ensure that we come out with proper solutions for these challenging areas. There are three types of environments in behavioral health that you're going to be aware of. There's one, which are supervised areas. This may be a consult room or a supervised meeting room, where upholsteries and ligature points aren't that much of a concern. The second is semi-supervised areas. This may be a lounge area or a communal space. In these types of areas, you want to be more aware of ligature points and whether the furniture needs to be weighted, unweighted, or fixed to the ground. The third is unsupervised areas. This may be where the patient is alone at night in the room. This is where you want to eliminate any tie-off points, so Hardy may be your best solution to these types of environments. When talking to specifiers or end users, you're really going to want to address a few different key questions. Is it a high abuse area? Is infectious control or ligature points a major concern? Does the furniture need to be weighted, unweighted, or does it need to be fixed to the ground? But it's really best to talk to your end user and really come up with the best solution that fits their needs for that given environment.